Today at the Derby Canyon cabin, I'm installing bat boxes. Bat boxes? What do you mean? Wait, you want bats around? Yeah, I mean, it's basically like a birdhouse for bats. The company that I purchased it from is Big Bat Box by Wild Yard. This is one of their smaller models. It has what looks like, I guess, two sections in it, fairly small. I'm assuming those ridges are for the little guys to grab onto and hang on to. On their website, they have a little guide of colors by region. I'm up here in Washington State, and it looked like this darker color was the one that would be best for the bats in our area. And so we're just putting some little L brackets on. We'll be mounting them. I have 3 of them. We'll be mounting them to trees and probably the side of my deck, because we get a ton of mosquitoes there, and this will help a bunch. Not only will they help with mosquitoes, but if you bring in bats to the area, that can potentially bring in other predators like owls and falcons and hawks and things that take care of mice and other rodents. And it's a way to encourage a healthy ecosystem and to reduce mosquitoes, which a few times a year out here we get a ton of. So if you're trying to look for a way to get rid of pesky mosquitoes and encourage some other wildlife, these bat boxes might be a solution for you.